Hi guys! So for today's video, I'm gonna share you a simple quick tour of our house in province. So ito yon. So i-share ko lang sa inyo yung, diba, the very natural, nakakatanggal ng stress, buhay probinsya. So ito na yun guys. Moving on, a quick tour of our house. Charot, yung simple pamumuhay lang namin na bahay. So quick tour. So here we go. Ito yun guys. Ito yung pamumuhay namin. May silong siya. Ang daming baboy. Ang dami guys. Sayang hindi siya hindi siya malalaki pag uwi ko. Hindi sana nalitsyo ng isa dito. Dami nila. So, ayan. So, I think the last year, pinapinturahan ko siya na sana tumibay. So, pinapinturahan yan. I guess, 2023, I don't think so kung yun talaga tama. So, here we go. We have here a very beautiful plants, flower. So, very nice and province, guys. So, ito yung buhay ng province. It's very real, good environment. And then, here we go. Nandito yung father ko na palahubog. Oh, ang palahubog kong papa and inom-inom ng tanduay. Hi to my vlog! Hi! Hi to my vlog! Hello! Say hi to my vlog! The title is Quick Tour pero hindi na. All over around. So, let's go back and moving on. I'll show you a quick I'll show you a quick viewing, diba? Here we go. So here we are. So paano namin? Ano bang terrace sa so yung terrace namin is very cute. So every time now we have chikahan, we have tungits, whatever. So we are going abandoning her every time. Basta yun na yun guys. And then, ito na yung loob namin. So, we have 3 doors per kwarto. And then, very simple. It's very simple and di na natin open dahil walang laman. So, yan lang ang buhay namin dito. And then, we have ambot. Grabe kakalat. So, ayan. So, ito yung kusina. Guys, someone's baka relate ito. Ito pa din ang gamit namin. Kasi, mahirap at tawag nito sol at mahal. So diba, buhay probinsya. And then that's the quick tour, quick viewing of our house na simple. Ang balay na simple lang. So that's it. Thank you for watching everyone. Please don't forget to like and share. Bye bye.